So welcome to the channel guys. So today in this tutorial we are going to see how we send the put request in the JMeter. So earlier we saw like how do we send get request, create request, the post request. Now we are going to see the put request. So that is a update booking, and for this we are going to use the API chaining concept that we saw in the last video. So let's get started. So if you remember this, we have created this create booking thread group. So I'm gonna go and duplicate this. So just right click on this thread group and just click on this duplicate. Now here I'm gonna rename most of this item. So let me just do this first, this thread group, then this HTTP request, and then this HTTP request type is the put, and this body that we need to update. See here, if any value that you need to update, you can update that. And also we need to have the headers also. We already have the headers here, the content type and accept, but we need to add the cookie also. So I'm gonna go and copy this and add here this cookie, and this value is token equal to ABC123. Okay, so copied here. Now we also need to add the path, that is the ID here. So now we saw like in the previous request we have added this bean shell post processor as a request in the request, so that we can add the bean shell scripting to save the booking ID in the booking ID variable, and how we can retrieve that. So we can retrieve as a property that we saw. Okay, so just we'll go here. We saw this is a booking ID, and again we need to go to this, and here we need to search for the property, right? The property name. Okay, and here we can click on generate. So now we get this value, right? Now here we are going to add here. Okay, this is optional value, so we can remove this thing. We don't require it, and also we don't need this JSON extractor here right now, so I can remove this two pieces. And also this view result tree, now we have duplicated this thread group, so view result tree won't show the result. So just drag and drop these two thread group and we can see the result when we will execute this thing. So first we need to create the booking, okay, and then we'll update that. So here for example, if I give name as a test user, okay, let's see what result we get here. I'm going to clear this. I'm sending this request. Now see the booking ID, we send this test user as a first name, and in the response we get the booking ID is 5107. And here also I added the debug sampler which will tell the booking ID value here. Okay, now let's go to update booking. Now here in the update booking we already added everything, the protocol, the server name, and the path, and the HTTP request. And here I'm updating the first name as a Jim. Okay, so let's see the result. Just start. Okay, so now here we got the response as a forbidden, right? So what is the issue here? So we already sent the content type accept and cookie, and the request here also 5107, that is coming booking, right? So right, this forbidden is coming. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll try to send it from Postman. This token is not okay. So we already okay. We missed one. Okay, they are mentioning header for value. We'll try to add authorization also. Okay, and we'll see here in the header manager. We'll add this. This is saying optional, but we'll see add this. Okay, and then this is the value. We'll add this, and then we'll send one more time. So now it is saying this method is not allowed. We will send one more time this create request. Now this time we got 1236. Now we'll send this again. Now this time this is now success. You see now this is updated. So what was the problem? So here while creating the booking we needed only two headers. In the API documentation we just added the content type and the accept, but in the update booking we missed this authorization as a header. So always see what are the headers are there in the request body. So we missed that, and that's why we didn't get any response here. So like see here in the booking we created the first name as a test user for the booking, and that booking we got the ID as 1236, and then we updated this 1236 booking with the first name as a gym, and then it got updated, right? So that's it from this particular video. So thank you so much for watching this entire video. We'll see you next time. Yeah, bye bye.